What if I place the EcoSport on the Innova? Oh no, that's the wrong position. Hi there, Centy fans, it's your boy DCS. Welcome back to another video, guys. So today, as you guys have seen my intro, that is the Innova, guys. Yes, this time I've got a car from Centy Toys, and don't worry about the packing. It's from Jack Royale, and I actually bought this car from Amazon, so the links are in the description below. But wait, don't just check them out, just watch the video, guys. So yeah, today we're gonna unbox this car, and I just can open this with a flip. But before that, if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget that, because I'll be posting this car's images over there. So fine, guys, let's just unbox this car and see how it looks. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Alright, so it is out. Let's just take it out. Okay, here it is, guys, out of the box. Okay, the Innova is out, and this is how it looks. It's pretty nicely detailed, except for the headlamps. Yeah, they haven't put much attention to the headlamps. And here you have Innova. Whoa, that's because it's not officially licensed product, guys. Centy Toys doesn't have the officially licensed, you know. So yeah, here it's written Centy Toys and Innova again. So yeah, this car's got rubber tires, which I really like. That's actually pretty damn nice. So yeah, the wheels are also pretty different, so that's kind of nice. The interior is detailed well done, Centy. And you have a sunroof, which is good. Well, at the back, yeah, the detailing is similar. Not so bad, not so good. So yeah, this is how it looks at the bottom. You have the spare tire with the exhaust. Well, yeah, it's a pretty decent car, guys. I mean, if you don't have the money to buy a proper die-cast, this is actually a pretty decent one if you are looking for a Innova. So here goes the pullback action. Okay, the speed's not so bad, but yeah, sadly you don't have the openable doors, which is just like that EcoSport right there. So yeah, guys, let's just move on to the info. And one more thing I forgot to mention, guys, check out my previous video which I uploaded about the KTM X-Bow. It'll be up on the screen right here. Check it out. Here we go. Well, let's talk about the spec of the Innova, guys. The specs, okay, of the 2009 Innova. First, let's start off with the top speed. The top speed of this car is ranging from 179 kilometers per hour, that is a rumor actually, to around 148. The diesel variants actually go 148 kilometers per hour, guys. That's the rumor. Well, and the acceleration time of this car is somewhere around 14.8 seconds. Actually, some of the variants, like the sport versions, does it in 12.9 seconds. So that's actually a pretty good one, guys. And in its horsepower, the 2-liter engine produces 134 horsepower, whereas the 2.5-liter variant actually gets 101 horsepower, guys. There's actually a 2.7-liter one, which is pretty rare, and that produces somewhere around 138, guys. So that's a really good horsepower range. Going for the engine, 2-liter variant, inline 4-cylinder, it's called the 1TR FE. And the other one is a 2.5-liter 2KD FTV. So that's the engine name, guys, and it's an inline 4, which is a diesel, guys. Yeah, the 2.5-liter is actually a diesel one. Going for the transmission, there are two options, guys. First is the 5-speed manual, and the other one is a 4-speed automatic. And moving on to the last one, that is the body style. Actually, the body style of this car is a 5-door MUV, the multi-utility vehicle. So that's it, guys. That's the end of the info. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button, guys. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe.